okay? Are you okay, eh? Are you okay? You okay? Are you okay, eh? Are you okay? You okay? Are you okay, eh?
Tawang-tawa si Elena Darna kina Derek Ramsey at Elias na magkasamang sumayaw.
Get back down. You okay, eh?
Pero ibang klaseng sayaw ang ginawa nilang dalawa. Medyo may pagka-karate dance ito.
Come on, dance ka first. Show me your moves.
Nakakatuwang panoorin ang magtito, talagang masasakyan o masasabayan ni Derek si Elias sa lahat ng gusto nito.
Come on. Come on.
Gusto naman tikman ni Elias ang kinakain ng kanyang Daddy D na spicy noodles.
Nakauyon si Senyor. Ay panganadong.
Spicy ramen from Tita Din.
Noong inaakala nilang aayaw na si Elias dahil maanghangan ito, pero nagkakamali sila.
Gutom ka, Mom? Soup and it's really spicy.
Okay, delete it.
Let's wait. I need to know if something's going on with him.
Nagdala lang ito ng tubig at bumalik at humigop ng sabaw ng spicy noodles ulit. At gusto pang ubusin lahat ang natitirang sabaw sa bowl.
I'll get you more, okay? I promise.
Nakatanggap naman ng cute trolley bag si Elias at binuksan nila itong tatlo.
Look! Wow! Say thank you to Fun Day Backpack.
Thank you, honey, back.
At ang sabi pa nito na hawak ang trolley na magpa-fly na daw siya at nagbababay ito kay Mami Elin niya at Daddy D.
We fly away.
You're gonna fly away with your Fun Day Backpack? See you! Bye!
Ang sipag naman ni Elias at nagwalis ito sa labas at tabi ng swimming pool. Unang haircut ni Elias at ang Mami Elin niya ang gumawa nito.
In your hair. Oh my God! Do not pull it, huh? Because you have to dry this and I'm going to let's do an art for top.
Pagkatapos gupitan, nagkaroon naman ng banding silang dalawa ng kuya niya, anak ni Derek Ramsey.
This has an eye in the middle, bro.
Yo, bro!
This has an eye in the middle, bro. You see this red?
Parehong mahilig sa golf ang magtito kaya tinuruan ni Derek si Elias kung paano laruin ito.
Hit. Small swing.
Wow!
Yeah!